Right, we've got a bit of a lockdown going on here in Guernsey, so I can't get to the shop to get any stuff. I can't get any gas. I can't really get anything. We're just all marooned at home, so I can come down here, but there's not really that much I can do. So. I had contemplated possibly drilling this with the you know, just with a, say, like a 10mm or something, and going all the way around, but I think it'll be really gash, and I've still got to get it all out once I've done that. So I'm just going to wait. I need to either get some gas so I can gas cut it, or I need to get a plasma cutter, which is an option, or I just take it to a machine shop and get them to do it. But I can't do that at the moment because they're all closed. So I've just been sort of bodding around in the workshop doing a few little workshop tasks. I'll show you, just for the sake of putting the video on, I'll just show you what I've been doing. It's nothing spectacular. This set of drawers, I got this from my brother's house, from his old house when he ripped it out, and I just sort of made these cupboard frames, and they've never fitted properly. So I just put some pieces of hardboard under them, and now they slide in and out better. Whereas before, when I used to pull it out, it used to drop off the hinge. I said it wasn't much of a job. I've moved the emergency stop for the mill. It was there on the wall, but it was just a little bit too far away, and this shelf would kind of impede you using it. And the whole idea is it's got to be somewhere really easy to get to, so I can get to it really quick there. It's much better. That's been a job that's been outstanding for a while. You know, it's one of those sort of things you think, oh, I'll get round to that one day, and then you have an accident and think, oh, why didn't I move it? So I've done it. What else have I done? This was another little irritating thing. There, at the bottom of the drill press, there's a hole there, and that goes through into the welding cupboard now. That's so you can fit clamps and things on, but it always used to drop, the chips used to fall through. So I've just made some stainless steel little covers that just bolt on, and you know, so I'm just kind of floating around really, just trying to find things to do, just sort of doing all those little jobs that you probably should do all the time but you never get around to. So I've been going around oiling everything and cleaning everything, and I've just made, you can see the mill, it never had the cover on here, so I've made a piece of, well, when I say made, cut out a square to fit on there. It's way better. Tempted to put a couple of hinges on that, and a little handle would be better, wouldn't it? And if that was hinged up like that, it would actually stop you, or hopefully would stop you accidentally leaving that on there, like that. Because if you do leave that on there and you start the machine, it flies around and contacts that. Happened to a mate of mine. Outstanding for ages. Quite pleased with that actually. For a little nondescript job. Just before I put this in, I'm just going to use this chamfering tool just to get rid of all the burrs on the edges of here, because I hadn't done that before. So I'm just going to use this little hand tool. It's a bit difficult with stainless steel, but it does get there. So it wasn't much of a day really. I've just bothered around doing a few little things, but I did say I'd do a video every week, so I've done a video. Nothing much more to say. We're all in lockdown, so I'll go and walk the dog.